Hi students, this is Alex here. In this video, we are going to show that the half-range sine series for the given function f of x is this, and we are also going to deduce the given sum of the series. As a first part, we are going to write the expansion formula. F of x equal to summation n is from 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L. And to find Bn, we use integral 0 to L, and outside we have 2 by L f of x into sin n pi x by L dx. And we are going to replace f of x, which is outside, let's write 2 by L integral 0 to L, and f of x is k Lx minus x square into sin n pi x by L dx. Now we will take the constant outside, which is 2k by L integral 0 to L. We have Lx minus x square into sin n pi x by L. So here we are going to use Bernoulli's formula. This is u and this is v. We also have dx at the end. So u equal to Lx minus x square. So we have taken Lx minus x square as u, and v is sin n pi x by L. U dash is L minus 2x. U double dash is minus 2. U triple dash is 0. And v1, this integration is minus cos n pi x by L by n pi by L. And v2 is minus sin n pi x by L by n pi by L whole square. And v3 is cos n pi x by L by n pi by L whole cube. So now the Bernoulli's formula is u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 dot dot dot. Now coming to bn, outside we have 2k by L. Now u v1, u is Lx minus x square. So Lx minus x square into v1 is minus cos n pi by n pi x by L, that is minus cos n pi x by L by n pi by L. Then minus u dash is minus 2. So we make this as plus 2, and v2 is here minus sin n pi x by L by n pi by L whole square. Then plus u double dash, which is, here we have to substitute u dash first, which is L minus 2x. So let's change it here. This is L minus 2x with a minus sign outside. So minus L minus 2x into my v2, that is minus sin n pi x by L by n pi by L whole square. Then plus u double dash is minus 2. So we take minus 2 into v3, which is cos n pi x by L by n pi by L whole cube. And u triple dash is 0, so we stop here. And we have the limit from 0 to L. When we apply the upper limit, this part becomes L square minus L square 0. When I apply the upper limit L here, sin n pi is 0. So we have only the last term, which is minus 2 cos n pi by n pi by L whole cube, minus, when you apply the lower limit, here completely 0, because of the sign this is 0. So When I apply the lower limit, 0 minus, we have this 2 and cos 0 is 1. So minus 2 by n pi by L whole cube. Now this is 2k by L, and minus 2 we can take out, but we shall take it in the next step. It is minus 2 into cos n pi is minus 1 whole power n divided by, this is n cube pi cube by L cube, and this will become plus 2 by n cube pi cube by L cube. So we shall take 2 common. So outside already there is a 2k, so it becomes 4k, and this denominator n cube pi cube by L cube also taken common, but L cube we can carry to the numerator. After taking 2 common, this will become 1 minus, this will become minus 1 whole power n. So this is our complete Bn. So we got Bn, and this Bn we have to split into two parts, even and odd. Suppose if n is even, like 2, 4, 6 dot dot dot, 1 minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square, this will become 1 minus of 1, it will become 0. So we get Bn equal to 0 when n is even, and at the same time when n is 1, 3, 5 like that odd, 1 minus of minus 1 whole power 3, 1 minus of, this is minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1, so it becomes 2, already there is 4. So it is 8k L cube by n cube pi cube when n is odd. So we got two values for Bn, one is for even, another is for odd. So one is 0, so we are going to use the other value when it is odd. So coming to the expansion formula, f of x is equal to summation. Now n is from odd till infinity we have to write. Bn is 8k L cube by n cube pi cube into sine n pi x by L. So the constants can be taken outside. So f of x equal to summation, let's take the constants outside. So 8k L cube by pi cube are the constants taken outside. Now n is from odd till infinity, and we have sine n pi x by L. But in our show that expression, they have given from 0. So we have to convert from 0, 1, 2, 3 by changing n as 2n plus 1. So now, and there is one more L also here in the denominator. So I keep that L here. So this L and L cube gets cancelled. So we left with L square. So let's keep this as L square everywhere. So this is L square, and L square. So what are the term we have it in the proof? 8k L square by pi cube we have got it. Now let's change n as 2n plus 1. It means this summation will start from 0 onwards. So 8k L square by pi cube summation n is from 0 to infinity. Then we also have this n cube here. So we have to write 1 by n cube. So let's change that n as 2n plus 1. So sine 2n plus 1 into pi x by L whole divided by 2n plus 1 whole cube. So this is our half range sine series expansion for the given function f of x. Let's check whether we got all the terms. Outside we have 2k L square by pi cube. So we have it here. Outside we have 8k L square by pi cube. We have it here. Then summation from n is 0 to infinity, 1 by 2n plus 1 whole cube. So we have denominator 2n plus 1 whole cube. The numerator we have 2n sine 2n plus 1 into pi x by L. So sine 2n plus 1 into pi x by L. So we got it. Now we have to deduce the series. So for proving this, we have to take the values of x. Let's take x is equal to L by 2. So we get f of L by 2 equal to 8k L square by pi cube. Instead of taking this expression, if we take this, it will be further easier because we are going to use only the odd number of terms. So 8k L square by pi cube we have written. After that, we have summation from odd till infinity. N is equal to odd till infinity. And what are the other terms we have? Sin n pi x by L by n cube. So let's keep 1 by n cube as it is. Sin n pi x is L by 2 by L. So we can cancel this. So we are using x as L by 2. So sin n pi L by 2 by L. After this we left with only sin n pi by 2. So we are going to expand the series. Before that, let's find f of L by 2. F of x from our given question is k into Lx minus x square. So k into Lx minus x square. So f of L by 2 will become, this is k into L into L by 2, L square by 2 minus L by 2 whole square is L square by 4. So this is k into L square by 4 after taking LCM. L square by 2 minus L square by 4 is L square by 4. So here we are going to replace it as k L square by 4 equal to 8k L square by pi cube. And this summation, I have to put first odd number 1 by 1 cube sine 1 pi by 2. Then plus 1 by 3 cube sine 3 pi by 2. Then plus 1 by 5 cube sine 5 pi by 2. Like this, odd series keeps going. Here we can cancel k and k, L square and L square, and this we cross multiply pi cube by 8 fours are 32. Let's check our expression. Yeah, we got it, pi cube by 32. And here this will be 1 by 1 cube sin pi by 2 is 1 plus 1 by 3 cube sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1 plus 1 by 5 cube sin 5 pi by 2 is plus 1. Like this it keeps going alternatively. Therefore rearranging this, 1 by 1 cube minus 1 by 3 cube plus 1 by 5 cube minus dot dot dot, we are going to get pi cube by 32. So this is the required expression. So they are asking us to deduce the sum 1 minus 1 by 3 cube plus 1 by 5 cube dot 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 is pi cube by 32. So we got it here. 1 minus 1 by 3 cube plus 1 by 5 cube minus dot dot is pi cube by 32.